Hi there, this is Damien from Pet Business Blueprint. In this video we're going to have a look at editing your business cards, and what we need to do is get this free desktop publishing software called Scribus. So if you just go to your internet browser and do a Google search for Scribus, then it will take you to this website and you just download it from there, install it on your computer, and that will allow you to edit this file format. And what we do then is we go to our hard drive and we find the folder called business cards under our package that we've unzipped, and in the business cards folder you'll see there are 4 versions with the extension SLA at the end. So it's blue, green, magenta and orange, and all we do is we double click the one we want to edit, and that will open the file in Scribus. So we've got the 2 sides of the business card here, so we can just click on it and we can change the image here. We just click on the individual elements and right click them, and then we can edit them, or we can double click and just change the text there. So if we only do dog walking, let's say, we might delete those other 2 things, and we might just space it out by putting our suburb there. So dog walking for Campbellfield, or even just dog walking Campbellfield, and we can right click it and choose edit text as well. This is another way to edit it, and then we might just highlight the text. We can change the font and the font size here, just like using a word processor, so we might make it a bit bigger font. When you finish making your changes, you click this little tick box here. Now I've just made it a bit too big, so it's gone off out of the text box. We can just expand the text box there. We can drag the text box around to place the text differently, and all the elements on the page basically work that way too. So we can click here and obviously change the title to your own business. So that might be Campbellfield Grooming, and again it's too big for the text box, so we might just expand that box a little bit. We want a nicer font, so you can have a look at the fonts on your system and then just work out what font you want to make it, and then again you just go edit text, select it in this edit box and change the font to whatever you want. And different fonts are going to have different sizes, so you might have to make the size a bit smaller if you make it a different font. Same thing here, just double click that and just put your area of service, so servicing, write whatever you want there. Get your dog walked in the Campbellfield area. And again, we just want to make it a bit bigger, so it fits all the text in, and then change the colouring. You can change the spacing there, and again we can change this font to whatever we want. So might make that Helvetica. Update it. Change the text color to a lighter color so it shows up against the background. And same thing for the other side. So we can actually just copy this this element here. So we can right click it actually we just select that box and we just go up here, item, duplicate, and then we could drag that down to here and delete the other version. So it's simple as that. You can just like duplicate stuff and drag and drop it, and it's quite intuitive. Like, I haven't used this program before, and I've just opened it up and started messing around with it, so it's quite user friendly. So yeah, obviously you can change your image here to your own logo, put your photo on here if you like. It's actually great to have a little headshot of yourself if you feel comfortable with that, or you can put a photo of a pet, or like we've got here, just a little cartoon. So to change the image, you just right click it and you would choose get image. Just choose a picture from your computer. Yeah, so just whatever it might be, and obviously just putting a random image in there to show you what it looks like. And once we're ready, once we've got it how we want it, we can actually export this now to our, if you want to, export it to a printing service or whatever, you go to the file menu, export, and then you would go save as image, and you choose JPEG or whatever the printer wants, and then you change the resolution to, really want 300 dpi for printing, and that's basically it. You just go OK, and it should have saved it to our hard drive now. Okay, so it's just saved the second side, but yeah, we can open that up, and that can now be imported into our printing service, and we set the corners and edges and that kind of thing, and just print it from there. So that's basically everything you need to know about editing your business cards. If you have any questions about that or need any help with it, just go to our support forums at petbusinessblueprint.com.au and create a thread, or just shoot us an email via the contact section, and we'll be happy to help you out with any problems. Okay, thanks for watching.